Good morning, dear children. Before starting the exercise, let's understand what are phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a phrase or an idiomatic phrase that combines a verb with a preposition or adverb or both, and that functions as a verb. And children, its meaning is different from the combined meanings of the individual words. For example, give up. Give up here means to sacrifice or forego. So children, let's do the exercise with some more phrasal verbs with up. Let's begin. Dear children, let's do exercise on page number 93, expressions with up. These are some phrasal verbs. We will fill them in the blanks here. Let's begin. First sentence is, I will have to dash all night to finish my science project. I will have to stay up. Children, stay up means stay awake or not go to bed. I will have to stay up all night to finish my science project. Second sentence, the sports teacher blew his whistle to dash the students. The sports teacher blew his whistle to round up. Round up. Round up means to collect. The sports teacher blew his whistle to round up the students. We have come to the wrong address. There has been some dash in the instructions. There has been some mix up. Mix up means the order has been disturbed or the arrangement has been disturbed. Mix up. We have come to the wrong address. There has been some mix up in the instructions. Next is, I don't have to dash with your tantrums, said mother. I don't have to put up. Put up means willing to accept. I don't have to put up with your tantrums, said mother. Next is, Rohan did not dash for work today. Something must have happened. Rohan did not turn up. Turn up means arrive. Turn up. Turn up means arrived. Rohan did not turn up for work today. Something must have happened. Now the last sentence is, you need to dash that word in the dictionary. It has several meanings. You need to look up. Look up means search for. You need to look up that word in the dictionary. It has several meanings. So dear children, do this exercise in your book. Have a nice day.